What's up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome to this episode of Car Rant. Today we're doing something a little impromptu, a little dumb, a little suspicious. But Ian's currently jumping the Laurel. We're going to take his mother for a ride in the drift car. Her first ever experience in a car like this. And who knows, maybe I'll even grab the Evo if we need a little bit more footage. But let the games begin, guys. This poor beast has been sitting for so long. Kind of nice to actually crank it on and see what she got. Ooh. We put a tarpaulin over the motor because obviously no hood to protect it in the cold.
Stiff.
It's very stiff. 20K springs, man. This thing is rock solid. You know what's causing it to bounce? The tires. And people wonder, like, why you want to get out of this car so bad? Well, I wouldn't go that hard on my suspension. Oh, we're doing the stance test.
God,
do you have the strength to do it?
dude, I'm almost 300 pounds.
Yeah. He is above 300 pounds.
Yeah, but he's putting it between the two. This is nutty. Let me see, is the car even...
Yeah, I wouldn't lift it by that.
Yeah.
No, I'm not trying to lift.
He's just
see if it even has coils.
Yes, we have welded tubes. No. That is not a fun experience. Little RB20 that desperately needs a new home, but also a new turbo, because that thing is just... It's a piece of junk off of eBay. We should, you know what we should do? We should try and talk the next owner of this to put my Evo turbo on there.
The impeller looks fantastic. I looked in there.
The inside looks nice.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. Like the actual...
Hey, did you turn the kill switch on?
No.
Did you put the kill switch on?
No. I'm just letting it eat right now.
Okay.
We could try to turn the kill switch on if you want.
I mean, if it's a way to get the battery to charge a little faster, I don't know.
Here, try it. We'll see if
Does this car have no alternator?
It does.
Just start it.
It doesn't like to do that much.
Huh.
Power?
Nice.
No? Okay. It's chopping real bad, but it's on. This guy has no battery in it at all right now. The battery that was on the car is totally shot. It couldn't hold the charge, wouldn't hold the charge, which is why we resorted to putting that in. Once this warms up enough, we're going to grab his mother out of the car and send him on his way. When I say send him on his way, I really mean go right there and do some burnouts. Yeah. Go for it, brother. Nice. it just does it too easily, man. There we go. Hey, Ian. Ian.
Oh.
I think it's safe to say that someone had a really good time. So it's the next day. We're in the Pajero warming things up just because of the fact that it is still very cold out, and when we're filming this, it's February. In fact, Valentine's Day hasn't happened yet to help you have a frame of reference as to how cold it is. But I have to say that Ian's mom thoroughly enjoyed her time with us, getting slung around in the old Laurel. And then off camera, I took her for a ride in the Evo, you know, showed her what my 500 horsepower feels like. And yeah, we had a lot of fun. I just want to say, as like an anecdotal thought before we end today's video, that if you're passionate about cars and your family doesn't quite understand, let them see the fruits of your labor. When you finally get your car done and you finally get your project running, let them experience it with you, because there's something to be said about like the whole psychology of the brain and whatnot and how it works. But when you're able to share your excitement, it is infectious. Because just like how if one guy's laughing in a room, it can cause the whole room to erupt in laughter, it's kind of the same way with, you know, the things you're excited about with those that care for you and love you, because they want to share in your excitement. And seeing Ian's mom yesterday just be absolutely enthused about, you know, being able to go fast and the adrenaline rush that is the Laurel, it was really cool. It was really cool, especially given that she is an older person and she has her own health complications, can't necessarily do these types of things on her own. It was very nice to be able to give her a good time. And I guess that's kind of the challenge to you guys, is if you have someone in your life like that, go take them out for a ride. Give them a joyride. Sometimes a little adrenaline makes the heart happy. Unless you're on blood thinners, then it might make it stop. But we are super excited. Just as a final thought before we go, the Goal 240 project is going to be up and running here very soon. We are actually going to be starting the swap process here for us in about a week or so. So hopefully you guys will see that video and that saga very shortly, because I'm going to guesstimate it's probably going to be about a 2 or 3 video ordeal. And who knows, maybe we'll do a shootout. Laurel versus the 240 and see which one's faster. They're both going to be single turbo boosted RB20s, so why not give it a taste and see what it can do between one and the other. But with that said, God bless you guys, and we'll see you on another episode. Hopefully I won't be sitting here freezing in my truck because I was stupidly parked in the shade. Okay, bye, peace.